Right then, boys, we're on the Ford Fiesta 1 litre Ecoboost review, and why not review more of a mod list this time? So yeah, I'll just give you a quick walk around if you haven't seen it already on the channel. Done a few cleaning videos. I thought we'd come to the car park, so we look bad man tonight, and the light. Whoops. Right then, so we'll start with the cosmetic mods, and we'll go into it from there. So we've got the Wish black mirror covers. They were like 18 quid from China. 2 months to come, sorted. One of the first mods I did was the Revo Sun Strip. That was like 12 quid on eBay. Well, I'm going to leave links to all this stuff in the description as well. So yeah, makes the car look a bit bad, man. And then you've also got the small antenna carbon fibre. That came from a random source, can't remember. Just appeared on the car one day. Then it's got the window deflectors, pinstripe. They're some German make, I don't know, they came on the car. Pretty decent, they've done alright. And it's also got a shit's on the other side, but they've got nets in the windows to make them look blacked out. This is a 125 version, Zetec S, so that's what it comes to standard, not tinted. In the boot, we've got the old parcel shell speaker build in here. They're not wide at the moment. Then I've got a T1 audio sub. Paid 15 quid for that. Paid like a tenner for the speakers. Installed them myself. The sub also came with a Alpine amp, which you can't see. But I'll get it out. There's the Alpine amp in there. Alpine V2. It came with the sub for 15 quid. But just chucked it in. Facebook market. You ain't got to spend a lot of money to mod your car. And then got the backbox delete. That was one of the first mods that I did. I don't know if you can really see it. It's just a ST style stainless steel system. Paid like 23 quid for that. I'll do a startup in a second. Get my mate on that. Then one of the most recent mods is the Team Dynamics 1.2 Pro Race. No, Pro Race 1.2 with Davanti wet tyres. I did clean them earlier, but just been out driving, so they're caked on with mud again. These tyres do not stay clean for long. They've got just red, I can't remember what they're called now, wheel studs. They were like 20 quid. I had the wheels refurbed as well when I had the new tyres, so that's where they're so mint. Also got these Ecoboost badges. They just, they're like almost like fake vents, but they're just a gel badge. So they sort of break up the wing a bit if you look. I think it makes it look a bit more aggressive. I've got these Wish springs here, not springs, these Wish canards. They make it look a bit more race car from the front, if you like that. Kind of cheap, but 4 quid on Wish. I might leave a link to them as well. And then I've also got the Zetec S badge, which the car doesn't come with standard, but should do. I thought I'm getting blinded by my Xenon now. And then I've wrapped the front grille. I did that myself. Really easy job. Just buy the wrap for like a couple quid. Just take it on. Jobs are good in. And then I'm pretty sure that's it for the outside mods. We'll do the exhaust at the end because there's people sleeping, and I don't want them to have a go. That's make us move. So we'll wait on that one. On the lights, I've done LED fog lights, so you get that white look from the car. 5,500K xenon dip beams. They are proper bright. I mean, don't even use the main beam now. There's these little white screws to adjust them, which most people don't realise. And that's how you get them to look this bright. And then you've also got just a LED T10 side light in there as well to make it white. The main beam's normal. So all the indicators, I need to do those, but haven't got around to it yet. Inside we've got, it's pretty standard, it's pretty dirty. Well, not dirty, just messy. Been car meat and it was a bit dead, so yeah. I normally fold these up and pop them in there, but won't do that now. Inside, it's standard. I've got one of these Fiesta thingy-majiggies air fresheners. I need to do the steering wheel, paint that black. I also want to do these gloss black as well. And you've got the Zetec S racing seats. Same in the back. Zetec S racing seats. Standard speakers in the front. one woofer, one tweeter each side, and yeah, I think that's it for inside. Is that it for inside? Yeah, that's all we've done. So yeah, we'll do a quick start up of the car if you want him. We'll do a flyby in a second because there's people here, don't want to piss them off. Yeah, we're just going to pop the bonnet, show you the induction as well. So the car is mapped, stage 1. That was clean, but just here, just got an air-tech induction under there, for fright. And yeah, that's it. Under the bonnet, stage 1 mapped. Got an induction kit and a stage 1 map. The map was 180 quid from Chipping Campton Garage. If you're in the Midlands, they're definitely worth a look at. Oh yeah, inside the car I've got these blue lights. It's just got blue light up there, blue footwell lights. Makes the car look pretty cool. We open the doors, and that's it inside the car. So yeah, as I was saying about the map, stage 1 maps in my opinion they're all the same. So there's no point paying a lot of money for one at this stage, in my build anyway. It's fast enough, improved the torque, pretty nippy. So yeah, that's that. We'll go and do a few flybys, and Matt will get on the camera, and that'll be that. Video will be done.